Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. It's been a long time since I've posted a video, and I just really haven't had a lot of things to post. A lot of little projects I've been working on, but got all my printers with little mounts for alcohol and bed glue and snippers. So I got those all made and made different ways to mount those on the printers. And this little tray works well. It holds a brush and other tools for all the printers. I've got cameras working again on all the printers, so I'm pretty happy with that. So then I wanted to show everybody this new printer, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon. That has just been an unbelievable value. My neighbor wanted to get into 3D printing, and he was looking at used printers. And I found this and suggested he try it, and I liked it so well. After he got it, I bought one, but they're only $300, and it's equivalent, I think, to the Bamboo, except it doesn't change colors yet. Supposedly they're working on a color system very similar to AMS for the Bamboo, but I've been printing a lot on it, and got all the printers rearranged. Still working on getting things straightened out, but that's where I'm at. I'm working on Christmas. I always mail out some kind of thing to assemble and put a Christmas card in with it. So I'm testing different things. This is a gingerbread house I found, and it's got Merry Christmas in German, and I changed it to Christmas in English with the year. And then I made a lot of these for Halloween. They're a little pumpkin that if you open the top, a ghost pops out. And a lot of people think that's pretty cool. And so I made about 100 of these. And what else am I working on? Oh, the other thing I'm sort of happy about, I put this system together. I found these little parts bins, or bins I guess you call them, at Sam's Club. And they stack really nicely unless you want to get to the bottom one. So, you know, you'd have to move them all to get to the bottom one. I just designed these little brackets and use pegboard to hold everything together. So I've got about $250 in this whole system, including the cabinet, the drawers. And it works well. I can put different kinds of things in there, and I've got some for different printers, like the Magneto X, the Prusa hot ends. I've had so many difficulties with that. I've got so many parts for it that now I got all my parts for the Prusa hot ends in one spot. So that works really nice. So I'm down to one major mess, and that's my workbench. If I ever get this cleaned off so I can work on it again, it'll be a miracle, but that's my next project. Anyway, if you have any questions or anything, leave me a message in the comments. But yeah, I just really haven't done a lot. Been just working on this Elegoo, getting mods made for it. I really like this top with the lights, and then this holder was something I printed so you can put the top on it when you want to. Then when you don't want to, for like PLA, you just mount it over, it just goes over here. So, and then I did a new riser for the Bamboo. And what's nice about this is it'll actually just flip up, and if I take the glass out, it'll stay up that way. But I'm printing a gingerbread man, testing it. So just keep busy all the time. But thanks for watching, and I hope I didn't disappoint anybody by not posting anything, but it's just, I really try to wait until I have something worthwhile to post. Well, thanks for watching.